Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about how I got into starting my own product line and a few of the struggles that come with it. So let's get right into it, follow me along.
How long have you had your own product line?
It's about to be 2 years now.
What made you want to start making your own products?
Kind of like an idea that I had in my mind for a while, just seeing my logo on products and wanting to promote that and push that out there. And I have like a bigger vision for my business. That's like a step forward in that direction.
How did you get the idea? Did somebody else tell you about it? Did you see it online?
It's just from seeing like other detailing products out in the market and seeing new companies come out pretty frequently. In the past few years, like the detailing product lines have really started developing and kind of getting more out there. So I was seeing a bunch of new companies pop out. And one day I'd like to have like my own product line eventually.
And what were the first steps you did?
At first, it's kind of interesting how it happened. I wasn't necessarily looking to start my product line. This company actually reached out to me through email, and they let me know that they're gonna start offering like product lines for anyone who wanted to start their own business. So I was like, interesting. So I gave them a shot. I started hearing them out. I bought their like samples, tried them out, tested them for a few months. And then whatever I liked, I started working with them and seeing what we can do to get something started. And
eventually you started buying from them.
Yeah.
What did you buy? What products do you have?
So we have ceramic tire dressing, we have our glass cleaner, we have iron remover, we have spray wax, rinseless wash and wax. We got a bunch of stuff. We have, I'm not even sure if I already said, we got panel prep wash, ceramic soap, ceramic wipe down. There's a bunch of variety of stuff that we have. And each product serves a different purpose. And they're all pretty nice and unique, smell good, most of them, except for the iron remover, but that's like in all cases.
What's one of your biggest struggles getting products? Is it the wait time? Is it buying enough, or maybe buying too much? What would you say?
So currently with the company that I'm working with, they're all the way in New York. So sometimes we have some shipping issues in terms of like, once in a while we'll get a leak or something, like the shipping companies aren't handling the products carefully enough. So we'll get a few leaks and we'll have to reorder, or they have to resend some out. Or another thing would be waiting times, especially around like peak time of shipping or holidays. It'll take a bit longer than usual to arrive, and if we're running low on inventory, it's kind of difficult. Well, it just becomes a hassle having to wait on it. So sometimes we have to stock up early or try to stock up as much as possible. And another thing is where we keep our inventory. We don't have a huge warehouse space or anything, so we can't order too much at a time because then we'll overflow the area and we won't have anywhere to store the products. But it's not too bad of an issue right now since we're not really like huge or anything. We're just a really small company trying to get our name out there.
Talking about being a company, what's your goal with the product line?
Our current goal, like this is like a short-term goal right now, would be just to get the shipping in order, start trying to ship them out to anyone, because right now we're only doing local sales. We've been doing local sales for the past 2 years, so it's only like in San Bernardino area, and people just come by the shop, or if they live in San Bernardino over there, because we're in Grand Terrace, a shop here at least. But overall, like the main goal would be eventually to make something bigger, try to make something different in a way where it's like one of a kind type of product, and hopefully make it like just really, really big, something big out of this eventually. Just, I know it takes time, money, patience, so there's a lot that goes into it.
Now, one thing I heard about selling product is the shipping, man. It's a killer.
Yeah.
Do you ship, or do you mainly just stick to this area?
Right now, just sticking to this area. Eventually, I do want to ship just because I know I have a lot of supporters outside of California, and I would like to get these products on their hands, but it's just shipping cost is pretty pricey. It cuts down on profits a lot, and then you still got to buy materials to ship those products out. And then if you got to get insurance for those products, because if they leak or if they break in the box, you got to resend another batch. And then some products we can't even ship to certain areas. So there's a few things that like go into consideration before jumping on that. We need to make sure we can stay profitable and make it worth it before just trying to ship out to anyone or everywhere.
Somebody wants to give it a try, where can they hit you up?
they can message me on the DMs through Instagram at Tony's Professional Touch. All right, guys, well, there you have it. That's how I got started with my detailing product line and a few of the struggles that I go through. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any other questions. And remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.